What's up guys, this is Afran Sarkar. So today our topic is how can we generate Flutter codes from Adobe XD, right? So I have already created a project in Adobe XD. Now to generate Flutter codes I have to go to basically I have to install a plugin, right? So go to in plugins and then manage plugins. Okay, so now you can see that I have already installed this plugin. So if you want to install this plugin, you have to go to browse section, then type Flutter and press enter, right? So you can see that there are several plugins, and you have to install this plugin. Okay, you don't need those plugins, but you can try those plugins, it doesn't matter, but you have to install this plugin. I have already installed, that's why I'm not installing it again. So just come this main page, right? Come this design page. So if I type text and suppose I'm typing something, and then just open this, click on this, and now you can see that your plugin is already here, generate Flutter code, and you have to click on widget, then click generate, right? Successfully generated. Then go to Adobe XD, and in this Adobe XD in Android Studio there have nothing, basically just a scaffold, then body center. So I have already the code, Flutter code for this text, right, for this thing. So if I generate this again and paste it, fine, now you can see the same thing, right? So if I show you another example, right, you have a rectangle, and this rectangle have a border radius like 20, and I would like to give a color, right? So now if you click this, and if you click now again in generate button, then you can already get the code, paste it, fine. So this is the way, basically, how can you generate Flutter codes from Adobe XD, and I think it will speed up your development process, right? You can do your front-end design more quickly. So this is the thing I wanted to share with you guys. So if you think this is very simple, right? So if you think there have still any problem, you can share your opinion in the comment section, right? And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.